What's up guys, Bobby Lewis, product trainer here at Allmoxy. Today we're going to be talking about iframing a 3D designer into your very own instance or into your very own website, wherever it is you want to place it. Alright, for this step, first of all, you're going to log in to your 3D interface here. So I'll go ahead and log in as, I particularly am going to be logged in as an administrator. You're going to come, the very first page you're going to see, if you don't see this, you're going to go to gateways. We want to be on the gateways. Gateways are basically portals into your 3D designer. If you copy paste this script right here, this is the code that you're going to need to then take your web designer or to whatever platform that you're going to be working in. You're going to need this little piece of code right here. So basically this is a piece of language or code that you're now going to embed somewhere else so that your designer and whichever gateway you've chosen here, that's the one that is going to show up in your designer. So you don't want to give them admin access. This is your admin designer. That's where you're going to do your modifications and stuff. You want to make sure it's the one that is connected to your instance. So click on take that little piece of script and hit copy. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take that piece of code and you're either going to give it to your graphic or your web designer, or you're going to go embed it. In this particular case, I want to show you how to embed it into a Wix website. So I just pulled up, created a new page, hit add. In Wix, you particularly can say embed a widget is what it's called here. So it just places it. You can go ahead and resize that, do whatever you want, and then we're just going to hit that piece of code that we copied and hit update, and you'll see that it's now going to place the designer right there inside of that web page. So that's it. That's how you embed an iframe into your website. Pretty simple.